Find x if the ratio of x to 4 is equal to the ratio of 9 to 2, and b, the ratio of x to 4 is equal to the ratio of 16 to x. Okay, so write that. Ratio of x to the 4 is equal to the ratio of 9 to 2. Now, you can write a ratio as a fraction. So rewriting as x over 4 must be equal to 9 over 2. So this now makes an equation which can be solved. So we've got x divided by 4. So the opposite of dividing by 4 is to multiply both sides by 4. So if we do that on this side, we're going to get x, and on this side we're going to get 4 times 9, which is 36 over 2, and 36 divided by 2 is 18, so x will be equal to 18. Now, if we got this one, x to ratio of x to 4 is equal to ratio of 16 to x, we can do the same thing, rewrite as a fraction, so this will be x divided by 4, and this will be 16 over x. Right, so take it a stage at a time. If we multiply both sides by 4, on this side we'll just get x. On this side we get 4 times 16, which is 64 over x. And then because I don't want divided by 6, then the opposite is to multiply by x. Now, when you do x times x, that becomes x squared. Be careful not to write down 2x. So this will become x squared is equal to 64. Now, what is the opposite of squaring? The opposite of squaring is to take the square root of both sides. So the square root of x squared is x, and the square root of 64 is 8. So this has been a video to show you how to find a value of x in a ratio by rewriting it as a fraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.